Welcome back to Reviewsinside.tv. Thanks for tuning in today. We've got an exciting product to talk about that promises to elevate your kitchen experience. The KitchenAid K400 Variable Speed Blender, model KSB4028, in this sleek black matte finish. If you've ever found yourself frustrated with your blender's inability to handle tough ingredients like kale or almonds, this one might just be the solution you've been waiting for. So, let's explore what this blender brings to the table. The KitchenAid K400 blender features a unique 3-part blending system designed to make blending smoother, faster, and more efficient. The ribbed jar design helps create a vortex that pulls ingredients toward the blades, ensuring more even and consistent blending. Pair that with the asymmetrical blade, which moves in multiple directions, and the Intelli-Speed Motor Control that adjusts the blender's speed automatically to match the contents. And you're looking at a powerful machine designed to tackle all sorts of ingredients, from soft fruits to more challenging ones like almonds and leafy greens. In terms of functionality, this blender comes with a variable speed dial, giving you full control over the texture of your blends. Whether you're looking to make silky smoothies or a chunkier dip, this blender adapts to your needs. For added convenience, KitchenAid also included 3 preset programs: Ice Crush, Icy Drink, and Smoothie, each tailored to specific blending needs. But what really sets it apart is the self-clean cycle. After you're done blending, simply add some water and a drop of soap to the jar, and the blender will clean itself, saving you time and effort. Now, let's talk about real-world testing. When I first set up the K400 blender, I was immediately impressed by how intuitive the controls were. The variable speed dial is responsive, and you really feel the difference as you adjust it, from low speed for delicate ingredients to higher speeds for those tougher foods. I gave it a go with some tough ingredients, kale and almonds, and to my surprise, the blender powered through them without any issue, delivering a smooth and even texture. I also tested the Ice Crush setting, blending frozen fruits, and it handled the ice without creating any chunks, which can sometimes happen with other blenders. It's clear that this blender can take on a variety of tasks, from morning smoothies to crushing ice for a cold drink on a summer day. The self-clean cycle? A game changer. It did exactly what it promised. A quick, efficient clean with minimal effort on my part. I wasn't left scrubbing stuck bits of fruit from the blades, which is something I really appreciate. Of course, no product is without its flaws. While the KitchenAid K400 performs admirably, one downside is its size. This isn't a compact blender by any means, so if you're tight on counter space, it may be something to consider. Additionally, the blender can be a bit noisy when running at high speeds, though this is common with powerful blenders and isn't a deal breaker for most users. Another aspect worth noting is the price. The K400 is definitely a high-end product, and while it performs well, it's priced higher than some comparable blenders on the market. For those on a budget, there are more affordable options that can still handle basic blending tasks. However, if you're someone who frequently blends tougher ingredients, or is looking for a blender that can handle a variety of tasks without breaking a sweat, the K400 may justify the investment. Speaking of competition, there are several other blenders on the market at similar price points, like the Vitamix 5200 or the Blendtec Total Blender. Both of these are also high-performance models, but the K400 offers a unique combination of features, including its self-clean cycle and variable speed control. In terms of power, the K400 stands its ground, but where it might fall short compared to something like a Vitamix is in its overall capacity. The Vitamix, for example, offers a larger pitcher and is arguably more versatile in terms of blending speeds and textures. But if you're primarily making smoothies or handling smaller tasks, the K400 does an excellent job. Now let's touch on the build quality. KitchenAid has always been known for its solid craftsmanship, and the K400 is no exception. The materials used feel premium, and it has a robust, durable design that makes it seem like it'll last for years. While long-term reliability data is still to be seen, based on KitchenAid's reputation, I'm confident this blender will stand the test of time. As for customer service, I didn't personally need to reach out during my testing. but KitchenAid is known for its reliable customer support. If any issues arise down the line, you can generally expect a prompt response from their team. It's worth mentioning that their website also provides a wealth of resources to troubleshoot any problems, so you should be covered there. To sum up, the KitchenAid K400 variable speed blender delivers a powerful performance and a range of features that justify its premium price point for those who need more than just a basic blender. It blends efficiently, handles tough ingredients with ease, and cleans itself, saving you time. However, if you're tight on space or budget, you might want to consider other options. But if you're in the market for a high-quality, versatile blender that can handle it all, the K400 is a solid choice. Thanks for watching today's review. If you've already got your hands on the K400, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. For those of you who haven't made your decision yet, you can find the product link in the comments box. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth reviews. Goodbye till next time, and remember, every great meal begins with the right tools. And we've got the inside scoop right here on Reviewsinside TV.